If your phone is stuck in airplane mode, don't worry, here are some ways how to get out of it. So first of all, let's check for software updates. Open up your settings, scroll down to your software update section, press download and install. And if you have any updates, follow the on-screen instructions and do them. The next way is to open up your apps. Right here at the top right corner, locate your three buttons, press special access. Here we gotta find change system settings tab. And here we can see all of the applications which can change our system settings. So locate your third-party apps. Right, so as you locate them, simply tap on the switch near it and it will be disabled. Great. If the problem still persists, we can try to reset all settings. So open up your General Management tab, scroll down to the bottom until you'll find your Reset tab. Here it is. In your Reset tab, press Reset All Settings and confirm your choice by pressing Reset Settings. Wait for the phone to do it and restart your phone. And the last option which can help us is to wipe cache partition. So first of all, plug in your phone. So locate your charging port and insert your USB-C cable. Make sure to be powered to computer or to power outlet. It doesn't really matter. After that, we're gonna turn off our phone. So in my case, I will just hold the power button, choose power off menu and give it a couple seconds to be powered off. As it is powered off, we are to hold our power button, our volume up button and our Bixby button simultaneously. On some newer models which don't have any Bixby button, we are to hold our power button and volume up button. So let's do this. Keep on holding until you will reach your recovery mode. Here it is. Now you can navigate through this mode using your volume down and volume up button, and to make a choice you are to press your power button. So find your Wipe Cache Partition, right? Press your power button, confirm your choice by pressing yes. And after that, choose Reboot System now, and your problem should be solved. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.